Hello everybody and welcome back to my channel. For those of you that don't know me, my name is Ellie and I am super excited for this video because I got this box way earlier than I expected. We are in mid-August and I already have my BoxyCharm. I already have my Fabfitfun box for the fall season, which we normally get in September. But I got my box already. I'm super excited. It is heavy. So I am super duper excited to see what we have in here. I am a annual member, so I do get to customize my box, but I customized my box like a long time ago. I already forgot what I'm gonna get. And plus, on top of that, there are items where you don't get to customize and they will automatically just put in your box. And I don't know what those items are. So oh yeah, and for those of you that don't know about this box, again, this is a seasonal box. So you get it 4 times a year. If you have the annual membership, you do pay about $50 per box. And you do have to pay it up front if you are a if you are a yearly member. I don't know how you call it, but if you get a year subscription, you do pay for it up front. It comes out to about $49.99 a box, so $50. You pay $200. If you go season by season, box by box, you pay about $55 per box. So you do pay more if you are a season by season subscriber than if you were to pay it up front for a whole year. You do save a little bit of money. So that's what I am. And let's go in. So you get a magazine every single time with, product information. There's usually, like a person in the cover and then they tell you their story inside. They give you, there's a little word search. So then I think there's also like coupons in here for the members. You get little coupons in here as well. This one here, it is from Bright Sellers. It is a $45 credit. This one here, it is from, this one is just for like somebody that you would like to give them $15 off. So for the first person that can go ahead and DM me, go into my description, click on my Instagram, and the first person that DMs me, I will go ahead and give them the code. This is for $15 off your first box. It is a code. You go in and you redeem it on the Fabfitfun website. Then you also get a HelloFresh. 10 free meals. That is also really good. So 10 free meals, and you're supposed to use this within 30 days. There's a code on here as well. Then again, for whoever would like this one, same thing. Go to my Instagram, DM me, and if you want 10 free meals from HelloFresh, I'll send you that code. I personally already have Blue Apron box. I really, really like that one. So I have no need for this 10 free meals code. So I'll give that to you guys. And I'm just gonna go into the box because I'm super excited. So first one here, it is from the Laundress New York. Crease Release, removes wrinkles. Oh my God, I wonder if this works. So you're supposed to spray it on a fabric and it's supposed to take out the wrinkles. I wake up really early every morning to go to work, and if my blouse that I'm gonna wear or that I'm thinking of wearing for that day, if it's wrinkled, I just don't wear it. And then sometimes I end up with a bunch of clothes in my closet that I don't wear, and I'm like, oh, why haven't I worn this one? And I look at it and it's wrinkled. So I wonder if this really works. So yeah, I'm gonna try this out. Then I'm gonna go for this little pouch here. It is from Jenny Bird. It's a cute little pouch. Ooh, there's a necklace in here. Oh, that's really pretty. So this is the necklace, and it is a silver tone necklace, and it's a 2-layered necklace, and you have like everything else back here. So this is really, really pretty. And then this one here, it also comes with a 20% off code off of their website. So this is a really pretty necklace. Then let's keep going. This one is from Hi The Tranquility Sleep Mist. So this one says, formulated with powerful ingredients that relax your sense and soothe your skin. Oh, you spray it on yourself? This calming lavender scent mist creates a tranquil sleep environment while promoting a healthy complexion. What? Wait, where do you put this? Where are the instructions? So I was thinking this was either like you spray it on the air or on your pillow, but it says instructions. Here they are. Before bed, mist around your pillows and sheets to create a calming sleep environment. So you do spray it on like the pillows or like anything around you when you're wherever you lay down. That smells good. It does. Ooh, that's a pretty mist. Yep, you have that nice lavender scent. I can't wait to try this one. So that is what our third item. Let's keep going. I'm gonna go for this one here because it looks like honey. This is Beauty Pure Paper Golden Superfood Antioxidant Shower Gel. Pumpkin, argan, apricot, orange, and aloe. This looks like a jar of honey. Obviously, it's a little bit lighter than, regular honey, but this is a shower gel. I want to see what it smells like. Ooh, that smells. Ooh. That smells like fall. This really smells like fall. Oh, I live in LA, in Los Angeles, and we don't get much of the fall season, but it reminds me of the holidays and the coziness and, wearing a sweater. I can't even think about wearing a sweater right now because it's freaking hot outside. It's over 100 degrees here. I am filming with the AC off and I'm gonna start to sweat in like a little bit. So I better hurry up and get this done so we can turn the AC back on, because if not, Cindy's gonna pass out back there. But this shower gel smells so good. Yes. Okay, I'm gonna keep going. This is from Mason Tops. I was gonna say Mason Tops, and it says it's a mason jar. Make it more than a mason jar. And it says it's a mason jar, but it looks like a water bottle. So it says multifunctional lid, premium glass. Ooh, it comes with insulated something. Let me take it out. Oh, this is heavy. This is one of the reasons why the box was so heavy. This is super cute though. So it comes with a sleeve. It's a glass jar. And here you have like different measurements, ounces and milliliters. So, and that's here like in the jar with, you have the name here. And let me see, so I can see this, I know a lot of people make their own salad dressings. So this would come in really, really handy. Or if you want to use it as a water bottle, it has a little hole here. You can put your own reusable straw if you want to use the straw. If not, you can just sip it straight out of there. Or if you decide to use it on the kitchen, again, you can use these measurements to make like a dressing or any sauce. And then it's with this little hole here, you can easily, pour it over stuff. I like this. And of course it comes with the sleeve. So if you use it as a water bottle, it will also help maintain the temperature of whatever you put in here. I like this. And then it has a little thing. It doesn't come with a little string, but you can also like attach something here so you can like carry it. I like it. I also really like the color. It's really pretty. And ooh, what is this? Stress reliever, natural hair oil. Use your fingers to apply them to scalp and hair. Massage lightly. Shampoo, rinse after 1 hour or later. So, stress reliever. That's all it says on here. So I don't know if this is supposed to literally just help moisturize your scalp, So it's just a clear oil, like not clear, but it's just like a regular oil. It smells weird. I can't, like, it smells like something, but I can't, you know, it's right here. But so I don't know if it's literally just a stress reliever, you know, to hydrate your scalp, or if it helps with the growth of hair. I'm assuming maybe, or I'm hoping the booklet will have a little bit more information on it. So I will read on that. And then this one I do remember I chose it for myself. Super excited because I use these a lot. Oops, everything's going over there. I use these a lot. So this is from Soya and Keo, and I like this. Let me show you guys. So it looks like a blanket. Oop, I'm dropping everything here. So it looks like a blanket, but this is like one of those things that you can use like in so many different ways. Obviously, this looks like a throw. It has your little tassels over here. So you can use this, you know, put it over like your couch and, you know, use it as a throw. You can, you know, roll it up like this, and then you can use it as a scarf, obviously, once it gets a whole lot colder than what it is right now. But the other way that you can wear it is once you open it up, it has like a V shape here, so you can put it over your shoulders, and then you can use it almost like a wrap. I love this. I have a few of these. During the winter, I leave really, really early in the morning to go to work. So it's really, really cold when I leave. So on top of the sweater or the coat that I'm wearing for the day, for the morning, I always throw one of these on over everything, and it just keeps me really, really warm. And I love them. I love them. So this is one of the things that I remember choosing for myself, because I know once winter comes around again, I'm really gonna wear it. I'll just throw it back there for now. And we are down to the very last item, which I know I also chose. I'm super excited for this one because it's a little tiny backpack. It's a little tiny backpack. It's super, super cute. Your straps are, I don't know what material this is actually, but this is from Bought Here, New York. And this one, if you got to customize it, your other option was a tote. I don't really use totes, so I went ahead and chose the backpack for this one. So you have a little flap with a little magnetic button, and then it has two little zipper compartments right in the front, and then inside it's like just an open area, and you also have another smaller pocket inside. So this is super cute, and this is like a nylon kind of material here, and then this is like a faux leather, I want to say, on top here on this flap. So with this one here, it is the last item from the box. So really quick, let me give you MSRP prices for the items that I chose, so you guys can see, or you guys can get an idea of how much the box is worth in total. So, Cindy? So really quick, let me just show you guys the page. These are all possible items that you could have chosen for your box, or you could have, you know, received in your box. So let me just give you the price of the ones that I chose. Bought Here New York Trigger Backpack. MSRP is $100. Again, let me give you guys a glimpse of the other page. And off of this page, I got 2D Soya and Keo woven scarf with fringe, $85. Then I got the necklace off of here as well. The Jenny Bird Liana pendant, $115. Then let me show you guys the next page. That is that one there. And then off of here, I got the Mason Tops glass water bottle with new print in turquoise, $35. And off of here, the Lidwit RX Stress Reliever 100% natural Ayurvedic hair oil, $75. Oh my god. So this one says, give yourself a scalp massage to revive dry and stressed out hair while calming the mind. It does have a really strong scent, so I can see how once you massage it, like you can smell it and kind of like relax a little bit. So then we go to the next page, which is this page here. And then off of this page, I got the shower gel, which MSRP is $30. And wait, no. Oh, and here, oh, the crease release, $16. And I also got the Height Tranquility Sleep Mist, $22. And I think that's it. Oh my God. This is the highest box value I have ever had. $478. That's crazy. Almost a $500 value in this box, and I only paid $50. Oh my God, I cannot believe it. That's like 10 times what I paid. Like, that is crazy. I never had such a high value for a box. That is just insane. So, I mean, if this doesn't make you want to sign up for this subscription, I don't know what will. That is amazing. So, I'll leave you guys there. And so I'm all done. Ooh, we have a recipe in here. I'm all done with the things from this box. And I'm gonna go work on my little word search here. I love these. So I'm all done here. I will be back really soon with another video, which, let me tell you guys now, I got a mystery bundle. So I'm gonna go ahead and unbox that now, and I will have another video for you guys really, really soon. I'm all done here, and yeah, I'm gonna go get into that mystery bundle now. Bye.